country golf.
They will start following you like you're their mother.
Golf club.
Then they'll bring their phone. They don't like money.
Sam, can you take pictures, please?
Yeah, I'll give you this for your YouTube videos.
Yo, if you give us our phone and your phone and then monkeys take it, we can't afford it.
No. Monkeys cannot take my phone.
You climb the tree with them.
See this house.
Ah,
How
yeah.
many million?
2 million?
Huh?
Maybe 2, 3 because it's expensive.
Wow, very expensive. That one is Chinese.
So,
Yes.
this bungalow, villa.
This one is not bungalow, this one is duplex.
See, villa. One house.
Wait, this is for your YouTube video.
Yes, which one? I do. I'm going. Please take all the videos and send them to me. I'll put them there. I don't even have anything else to do.
What do you use?
In the city only condominium, only apartment.
Yeah, it's so boring. You know, recently
Yeah.
I bought.
Here you see house here, one house.
I bought a gas tank and a stove because I want to save.
Different. You see on the right. On the right.
Then when I did, they go, oh, you can't use it here. But
All rich people here. See, rich people. All rich people here.
To them when we're coming.
Malaysia have many rich people lah.
yeah, even the environment, like it's different. The air, yeah, and like it's kind of
Singapore people, you think money Singapore current is big but Singapore people cannot buy a house like this.
What? Really?
I
Yes.
understand, I know that thing.
Malaysia, you see Malaysia people house